Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel, brilliant trading tips and also Forex emergency help. Today I'm going to be analyzing Gbpjpy. Today it's Saturday the 16th of March, so I'm gonna be analyzing for the coming week, which is the Monday we are going to. I think it's gonna be the 18th. So I'm analyzing for the coming week. If you are watching, this is the Gbpjpy. So if we are going to analyze, we start with daily or we start with H4, depending on how the market looks, but better you start with daily. When you come to daily, the only thing we're looking for here is the key zones, like the support rather, and the resistance. The support and the resistance, the key levels. These are my key levels. This is where the market reversed, and then this is where the market reversed as well. If you look at this candle, the current candle here, the market is currently at a resistance, because look at this. Let me show you. If you look at this side here, the market rejected on this candle, and now the market currently is here. And also already I am anticipating a reversal. I am anticipating a reaction rather, a reaction. So we're gonna take our line and then we put a trend line. A resistance here. We put a resistance here. Now if you're looking at it, this might mean that this is a shoulder. Can you see? This might mean that this is a shoulder, and this being a head, and this being a shoulder. So the market might be preparing to go down, because we have a whole head and shoulder pattern. We have a head and shoulder pattern, and this head and shoulder pattern is a strong head and shoulder. Why? Simply because we have a double bottom up here. Can you see? We have a double bottom up here, a double bottom also being a reversal pattern, because this is the first head. A double top. This is the first top, and then this is the second top. So we have a double top with an head and shoulder. We have a double top which forms a head and shoulder. This is the pattern. It is a very good pattern, guys. Does not mean it will succeed 100% of the times, but most of the times it will succeed. So as you can see, we have now our, let us draw our zones now. This is the supply zone, and this is the demand zone down here. And also we can make a zone for this one. We are still in D1, guys. We are still in D1. We are still in daily. So this is it. And now let us go to 4 hour. In 4 hour, what we will be looking for is a trend line. If we are getting any trend line, or if we are getting any other pattern apart from the head and shoulder we have gotten in day one. So let us go to H4. Okay, this is H4. Guys. Now in H4, let us see what happens. In H4, we can see that we are going down still. Yes, we are going down still, because okay, let me draw a trend line now. With this, I'm gonna use this low here. I'm gonna use this low here. I'm gonna use this low here. I'm gonna use this low here, and I'm going to use this low here. You know, when you draw a trend line, if it's an uptrend, your trend line will be below the price. If it's a downtrend, the trend line will be above the price. So with an uptrend, you are connecting the lows. With a downtrend, you are connecting the highs, guys. So this is what I'm going to do. Let us take our trend line. This is our trend line starting from here. let us join, and then it goes all the way up. It goes all the way up. Yes, let me remove this one so that you can see. Can you see? This is the first touch, this is the second touch, this is the third touch, this is the fourth touch, and the market broke from here. The market broke from here, and it went up to retest, and it came down. It look, it broke, came down, went up to retest, came down again, meaning now it is moving in a consolidation. It is moving in a consolidation. So what I am seeing, from here the market will come down and break like this, go down, up, and continue down. This is a consolidation, because if you have been following my channel, I always tell people that the market will move in impulse, and then correction, and then impulse again, correction, and then impulse again. So what the market is currently doing now, it is consolidating, meaning forming a correction, because we had this leg here, which was impulse, and now we have this one, which is correction. And then from there, guess what is going to happen? It's going to shoot downward and impulse again, and correct, and then shoot downwards again. So guys, we already see that we are going down. Why? Because the trend line, which was the trend line which was going up, has been broken down, and then it retested once here, it retested once here, and then it is coming to retest for the second time here. So from here, we might be seeing something like this. The market will be going down, but before we can make that decision, we need to look for two candles. We need to look for two candles. One, we can either look for a pin bar like this. We can look for a pin bar like this, or we look for an engulfing candle like this. So it will appear here. Before we can be confident in saying the market is going down, we need to see something like this. We need to see something like this, a candle like this, or rather we see a candle going down like this, an engulfing or a pin bar, and then we know that it is a good sign, or rather signal, for downtrend. As you can see, also we can draw here a trend line. We can draw also up here a trend line, because if you're looking at it, this is the correction that is happening, meaning there is a channel. Let us go to H1 and see. This is the channel. Can you see, guys? So this is the first touch above, second touch, and now it's the third touch up here. The market will go down. The market will go down in the third touch. And if you zoom it out, you will see something that we already have. The engulfing. Can you see? We already have the engulfing. This candle here is the bearish engulfing candle, which is, we have our signal here. What you can do is sell, look for sales, sell Gbpjpy. If you sell Gbpjpy, you can put your stop loss up there, and then your take profit all the way down here. If you guys understand my analysis with Gbpjpy, and you can like and leave a comment. Unfortunately, I'm gonna make it 10 minutes only. I can't record anything above, or rather beyond 10 minutes. Please like, subscribe, and share. If you want me to analyze any other pair, then you can share it on the comment. God bless you. Shalom.